Dear students, let me prepare a short video on the basics of transformer. Let me introduce what is a transformer is. If you go to the definition part, let me analyze the words of transformer. If you write the transformer word, it's a TRANSFORMER. So if we segregate that one, transformer, to transfer the power. So normally I can say transformer is a device. Obviously it's a device which can transfer the power. Which type of power? What is the power? We will discuss that one. So if we go to the definition part again, transformer transfer the power, but it will receive only the AC power, not the DC, nothing else, only the AC power. So if we again come to the definition part, transformer is a AC device which will transfer the power. Again I will add, it's a static device. So if you go to the devices part, there are two types of devices. One is static device, another one is dynamic device. Static means it won't have any rotational part. Dynamic means rotational part must be there. All the machines like generator, motor, induction motors, means AC motors, all have the rotational part. But AC machine like transformer don't have any rotational part. It have only the fixed part. That's why it's called as static device. So if I conclude the definition part, I will say transformer is an AC static device which will transfer power. Where it will transfer the power? Where it will transfer the power? It will transfer the power from one winding to another winding. That means there winding part will comes to picture. There are two types of winding in the transformer. That will comes in the construction part. Let's talk about a little bit on the construction part. So in construction, we will find normally there is a primary winding, there is a secondary winding, and a medium that's called as core. So primary windings, suppose we consider a water tank, another is water tank. If we connect this to water tank, the first water tank is called primary winding, second water tank is called secondary winding, and the connection is nothing else, your core part, which will act as a medium to flow the flux. In water tank, there is a flow of flow of water. Here it will be flow of flux. So primary winding, secondary winding. So in construction part, if I easily analyze that part. So primary winding, it's only made up of copper wires. Secondary winding is made up of copper wires, and that core part only for the flow of flux. So that is the construction part. And the next part I want to analyze, or I want to highlight, that is ideal transformer. Ideal transformer means in everybody's part, everybody's life, there must be some ideal thing or ideal person. There must be some ideal thing. Suppose for me, if you ask me who is your idol, I will say Sachin Tendulkar. Why? Because I find something better or something good things on Sachin Tendulkar. He may have negative points, but I find something good. That's why I go merely ideal. Similarly, if I said transformer is an ideal device, that means transformer should not have negative things. Means no residual part, no leakage, no linkage. Means input must be equal to output. Means efficiency must be 100%. Losses must be less, zero. But I am sorry to say, there are no that kind of devices or no that kind of transformers available in the world. Means transformer must have losses. So there are no ideal transformer available in this world. That is called ideal transformer. Thank you for this short video.